It's New Year, so we must wash our brushes that you're going to be using for our simple makeup. The brushes that you've been using the whole year. Remember, we said we want to make sure that we improve our hygiene, which is our facial hygiene. Start with your brushes. They are dirty, like mine. I've been using this and the sponges. I like using my shampoo that I used to wash my hair with. That is what I like using. And I have this thing that I forgot where I bought it from, but it's for washing our brushes. I think you put, it's my first time using it. I think you put your shampoo like that. Ooh, they're talking. And then you rub it. Whoa, okay. Can you see? This is my foundation brush, and it's very, very dirty. These are all build-ups, and I think this one will help to make it even more easier to clean. First trial, you can see. Then we go in clean. This build-up will make you break out, will bring you those pimples, or will give you those pimples if you don't like. We want to be fresh, and it's the #1 goal for our 2025 to have a clear skin or a clean skin, or at least try by all means to have our skins very clean. It starts by trying. It starts with small things, simple things, just as of you washing your brushes. Oh, I love the results. You can see the before and after. It's so clean. I think maybe this, if it's not from Chinatown, then it's from Signature. Check those two places for washing your. This silicone is a plasticish thing, and remember I said I'm using it for the first time. It had been there for the whole of last year, but I've been not using it. If you don't have the shampoo, you can always use what is this? Dishwash, and I'm just doing it in a circular motion. This one is not really that dirty because this one is for the powder, and powder I use a patch, not really the brush, but the other one I use it for my foundation. The first brush is from Legit. We do those ones in like a pink thing. Yeah. There's no new year, new you. There's just you with improvements. You are coming with improvements and starting small. Let's tackle our goals and moving further. This will help us not to burn out, and I'll be sharing a lot of things that we need to start off with. I'll be filming, doing them myself. Those that I can do, showing you guys that it's possible to do such, going small until you move further. This is really the best. If you don't have this silicone, you can always put that shampoo on your palm like this. You see? This is how I used to do it. And then you rub it like this. You do it on a clean hand. On a clean hand, that's how you're going to do. After that, if you feel like it's not doing any justice, then you go in with your fingers gently. Gently. Remember, these things are just sticked in here. If you are so hard, those feathers will run out, and you don't want that. Remember, we need to beat our faces, and we are starting off with clean brushes. You see? You are putting just little drops, just like that. Wet the sponge. You see? And then this, it's doing the do, but not really, not as fast as the putting it here. So I think for the sponge I'm gonna do the way I usually do it, which is putting the shampoo here and then just wrap it like this. I don't know. It has these things. I don't know what it is. And it's smelling perfume. so much. These things are not cleaning up. And thank God I don't really use a sponge. I use the other brush that I washed first. It's not getting off, but it's okay. Maybe I'll be using this side. I don't know what this is. And for the sponge, you need to make sure that you use a lot of water because it's fuming a lot. Not fuming, but foaming a lot. It's not nice. I ran that water through. It's okay. And this is the thingy that I use. How do we call this thing? What I use to apply my powder with. That's why you can see it's very dirty. So dirty. That color is printing out because it's color, I think it's kind of just the whole foundation coming off. Kind of yellow. That's why the color is so deep. Don't come for me. At least I'm relatable. I'm showing you guys. This is what we all are going through. This is like my December foundations. And I've been not wearing that much of foundation during the holidays. So this is the dirtiness, and I don't need to start with dirty things because I want my face to be clean, squeaky clean. That one I've just used it manually, washing it manually, and very gentle. Then I'm going in for the second time to see if it's clean. It's clean because the foam is very wide. I'm in the bathroom. If you are hearing somehow my voice being echoish, I'm in the bathroom. So these are generally things that I use every day. You let them dry overnight, and then tomorrow morning you pat and do the tooth.